Hello, my name is MT-6 and I'll be showing you how to build a new version of the grandfather clock. My last video didn't show it has this part in it. So now I'm going to show you how to build a normal grandfather clock without drawing this part. So if you want pendulum, make sure you have this piece. If you know if it looks like this, it looks like a tennis racket with this little thing sticking out. First, you need 4 of these and 1 of these. When I was looking for it, I actually saw the right color and make sure it has a hole in it. First, you take these 2 pieces. This should be the second piece at the bottom. The whole piece should be the second piece at the bottom. Make sure it looks like that. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you get this grip piece. I wish they were brown, but whatever. Anyway, now you take those pieces and put them on. And like that. And take this last piece and put it on there. And now you take the little brown triangular piece and then now it should look like that. Then you put this clock where your clock. I put it like that so it looks like it's almost a clock. And last but not least, put that piece is sticking out, put it into the hole. So then it should and now we have a Lego grandfather clock. And now I'm going to put the clock into my Lego beach house. And now, I finally have a clock in my beach house. Now, that's how you build a grandfather clock. So now you have, so that's pretty much it. I want to show you on my video, and yeah, I didn't feel like using my video camera because you have to plug a special thingy in my computer. See, this is my video camera for YouTube most of my videos, but now I use my webcam, which is actually pretty easy using a web camera. So like if you want to upload a video, instead of using your video camera, you should probably use a web camera. It's easier for me. It might not be easier for a lot of other people, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is Antrasko signing out. Peace. Get it? Peace. Oh well, whatever. So, yep. I'm Tedesco. I'm M. Tedesco 6, also known as Michael Tedesco. Now please comment on this video, rate and subscribe on this video, and on my other videos too. Now if you want to see my videos, just type in MTEDESCO 6. Not the word 6, the number 6. No spaces. So it should look like, so here is what you learn. See? M Tedesco 6. No zero. The last letter after the C is not a zero. I don't know. So it should say M Tedesco 6. Videos, actually. I think it should be M Tedesco 6 videos. I think that was the search for it. Hold on, let me try that. Do 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 do. Yep, it works. There we go. Yep, it definitely works. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. This is Antonio signing out.